What is good, bro? I don't know why the camera looks so shitty. Here's the trade recap for today. I lost too much money, bro. I lost too much money today. 374. My max loss on the day is 200. Eval at 51.5. And these are the trades that I lost it on. And this is the actual trade I should have taken on NQ. That is literally the exact trade I planned, bro. I had this line marked in the pre-market, literally. And I was telling myself that we still wanted these lows right here because ES didn't take them yet. So my whole idea, this low right here, which NQ did take right here in these lows, with this move right here, and I was literally telling myself I wanted this gap right here. It was hourly and a 50-minute. I had the equilibrium marked right here. You can literally see it's literally with perfect equilibrium, aligning with perfect equilibrium. We have a hold down trend, not a single break to the upside. And what I ended up taking was this dumbass trade. We tapped this 15-minute gap right here. I really need to change my colors, bro. It is too dark, these gaps. We had this 15-minute gap. Let's just like outline it. Can I outline it? I don't know. We had this 15-minute gap right here, right? You can see the 15-minute. Let me remove this one so we can see it better. This 15-minute gap. And what I ended up taking off of that gap was, it was so dumb that there wasn't even like any confirmation. I literally just took the 15-minute gap, and I feel like that was the dumbass thing. So we literally just had to move down, and all I did was I had FOMO that we're just gonna keep running. I don't get an entry, so I literally entered right after this, or at this candle. You can see the arrow right here, and then I got stopped out. And for some reason, I was so confident that this gap is gonna hold, it was probably FOMO because I lost this trade with this candle. So we inverse a 1 minute gap with this move. I enter a trade right here, and obviously price is using my entry as a resistance level, and we just break and I lose again. But this is literally the trade that I told myself in the pre-market that this is what I want to see. We had all this low resistance liquidity on the 1 minute. You can see all this low resistance got ran through with not a single move up on the 1 minute. Target would have been this low right here. And just because we had a little reaction out of the 15-minute, I thought, okay, we're gonna respect that one. When this is literally the equilibrium one, we had to get into premium to get to sell, right? I literally have one of my rules is don't take shorts in premium. And this is literally would have been a perfect short right here. Tapped equilibrium and would have sold from discount. But then over here we're still in premium because we're below the 50%, below the 50% of this whole move. Did I mark that right? Yeah, bro, but this is a bit annoying, and literally probably not even gonna trade tomorrow. We'll see, because this is too big of a loss. My usual loss is 200. This is almost double that. So just 2 days worth of losses in one day. Account is still at 51.5. But this is a lesson, bro. Plan your trade and trade your plan, bro. Literally, like it played out multiple times. I already had this where I plan it and exactly that happens, and all I need to do is literally just predict this move. This a few times a month is gonna retire me. And just because I'm taking these stupid setups, I'm red on the day, and I didn't actually take this because I was literally watching it happen, but I couldn't take it because Already hit my max loss of the day, bro. Well, this is a lesson, bro. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Literally. That's the only rule now. This is the recap, a pretty short one. I'm gonna make this stuff happen. Let's go, bro. We're really gonna do this stuff. Let's go. Let's do some pull-ups, bro. Wait, how do I... Bro, how do I put this? Yes, sir. I don't know why the camera is so shitty, bro. Did I put it like in the... I don't know why the camera is so shitty. I think I put it in like the lowest setting. But yeah, bro, let's get it.